Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to connect Amazfit to Strava. So to get started with the easy guide and a straightforward method on how you can easily connect your Amazfit to Strava. So the first thing to do is to open the Zip app. So download and open the Zip app, then pair your Amazfit watch and make sure it's sync. So once you're done with that aspect, you have to go to the profile. So in the Zip app, tap the profile at the bottom right. Then after that, you have to add Strava account. So to do this, tap add account and select Strava and sign in with your Strava credentials. Then once that is done, you have to authorize and confirm the grant. So grant the permission for Zip to upload activities to Strava and confirm. Then once you're done with that, sync your workout. After each workout, open the Zip app to let it sync automatically to your Strava. So once you're done with that, you're good to go. So your Amazfit workouts will now, will now link and update directly to your Strava. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.